Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do this long wolf haircut or a butterfly haircut. I don't know which one's the right term. But you're going to use this hair, scroll down, and then you're going to then use this hair. Then after that, you're going to select this hair. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select this hair. I know that's a lot, but just bear with me. Then you're going to go to bangs and you're going to select this one. And that is it. That is pretty much the haircut. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.